and welcome. I'm going to give you some budget-friendly marketing strategies for impactful results, all for less than $100 each. As you know, effective marketing is crucial to the success of any business venture. However, many businesses operate on a really tight marketing budget, meaning that all of your marketing campaigns need to be very cost effective and give you return on investment. Luckily, you don't need to have a massive marketing budget to make a big impact for your business. I'm going to give you 7 easy to do, clever tips, all for less than $100 each, to make a big impact on your marketing efforts, to reach your target market and grow your business all without breaking the bank. Hi, my name's Sarah Butler, or SBee, and I'm a marketing and communications professional with over 20 years experience, particularly helping small businesses grow bigger without spending too much money. The first thing you can do to really make an impact on your marketing without breaking the bank is to claim your Google business page. Don't just claim it, you also need to use it for maximum effectiveness. That's because establishing a Google business page is essential for achieving impactful marketing results on a budget. This is free and easy to do and allows you to create a really impactful online presence for nothing. Having a Google business page makes it discoverable for people looking for businesses just like yours on the all-important Google search results and Google Maps. You can effectively enhance your visibility and give you more credibility by providing essential information such as obviously things like your business name, your contact details, location, hours of opening, photos, and really importantly is to showcase reviews from your customers. For example, say you're a local bakery that sets up a complete Google business page. When nearby customers do a search for things like a bakery near me, the Google's business profile page is going to show up. It'll showcase their offerings, essential contact information, even photos, and as I said, most importantly, customer reviews and your location so people can find you. This increased visibility leads to increased foot traffic, increases your sales and customer engagement, and all costs you not 1%. The second marketing initiative you can do that costs less than $100 is to leverage customer reviews. Customer reviews are a really powerful and cost-effective marketing tactic that can significantly enhance your business's credibility and trustworthiness and ultimately lead to more sales for your business. Showcasing genuine feedback from satisfied customers is really effective on your website and on your Google business page to help potential customers make purchase decisions. People rely on the experience of others when choosing products or services. Positive reviews serve as what we call social proof, which is a hugely powerful sales and marketing tool. Positive social proof refers to things like testimonials, reviews, or endorsements that are really influential on customers' decision making. Social proof boosts your overall marketing effectiveness and ultimately increases your revenue. For instance, imagine a landscaping company and they showcase regular glowing reviews of their services. By featuring these reviews on their website and Google business page, they're effectively communicating their expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction. This can increase inquiries, sales conversions, and overall business growth, all for free. So make it a habit to always ask your customers for reviews at the point of purchase. The third thing you can do to increase your marketing efforts for very little cost is to use social media. Adopting social media as part of your marketing strategy is essential for businesses seeking cost-effective ways to reach and engage with their target audience. Using platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn, you can create a brand awareness, share your valuable content, and interact with potential customers. Social media allows you to showcase your brand, your products and services, all while creating a sense of community, which is really important. Make sure you choose a social media platform based on your target audience's preferences and what they are actually using, not what's most convenient or appealing for you. You need to base it on the nature of your products and services and which platform best serves those. So for example, a youth fashion brand would probably choose something like Instagram or prioritize Instagram due to its visual nature and the popularity amongst young users. The brand can post visually appealing images of its latest fashions, announce sales and promotions, and ask followers to showcase themselves wearing the products. This is another form of social proof, and it's really effective. By engaging followers through comments, direct messages, and this user-generated content, the boutique can build brand loyalty and drive sales without spending a fortune on traditional marketing. The fourth most effective thing you can do under $100 is to create your own website. As we know, having a website for your business is crucial. It serves as the digital face of your brand and a hub for where potential customers can come and explore and find out more about your brand, your product, and your services. The main benefit of having a website when you're marketing on a budget is that it provides an affordable platform for you to present your business, your products and services, and reach a global audience. A well-designed website can build your brand's credibility, it can generate leads and drive sales without incurring significant costs. A website builder like Wix actually enables you to design and launch an attractive, user-friendly site without the need for extensive technical expertise or significant financial investment. Wix has a variety of templates and customization options and integrated tools that make it easy to create a website that reflects your brand identity, and all for a relatively low cost. You can actually get Wix for free, but if you want a site without the Wix branding, you can get that for less than $30 a month. By establishing an online presence with your self-built website, you can improve your visibility, your credibility and reach, and most importantly, generate more sales and inquiries for your business. Number 5 is to stay in contact with your customers by email. Email is actually the most cost-effective and powerful tool for businesses aiming to maintain strong relationships with their customers while promoting their products or services. By building an email list and sending, with permission, targeted, personal and valuable content, you can keep your audience engaged, informed and more likely to convert. Email marketing platforms such as MailChimp offer free or low-cost plans, allowing you to design, schedule and importantly track the performance of your campaigns without breaking the bank. Email marketing has a return on investment of $36 per dollar spent, making it the highest return on investment of any marketing tool. For instance, a small online bookstore could use email marketing to send out monthly newsletters featuring new releases, curated book recommendations, reviews, and special offers exclusive for their subscribers. This approach not only drives sales, but also fosters a sense of community and loyalty amongst their customers, which is really important. Next, you need to be producing high quality content. Producing high quality content is essential for businesses seeking to establish themselves as leaders in their field and engage with their target audience with minimum financial investment. You can drive organic traffic, which is not paid for by advertising, generate leads and nurture trust with your audience by creating informative and valuable content such as blog posts, videos, podcasts that address the needs of your audience and target their pain points. Moreover, optimizing your content for search engines, which is also known as SEO, by using things like key terms in your content can significantly increase your visibility and rankings on the all-important search engines like Google. For example, a fitness instructor might create a series of blog posts or instructional videos on various workout routines, nutrition tips, and motivational strategies. By offering this valuable content that addresses needs and interests of their audience, the instructor can attract new clients, retain their existing ones, and build a strong online reputation, all while keeping marketing costs to a minimum. High quality content benefits your audience and positions you as an expert in your industry, leading to increased credibility and long-term growth. The final thing you can do to improve your marketing without spending more than $100 is to make your content visually appealing. Incorporating eye-catching visuals into your marketing collateral is vital for capturing the attention of your target audience and making your content stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Using a user-friendly design tool such as Canva allows you to create persuasive graphics for social media posts, blog articles, promotional materials, and more without spending a fortune on professional design services. Canva offers a wide range of customizable templates and design elements, enabling you to prepare visual content consistent with your brand identity and your messaging. The best of all, Canva is free, although paid professional subscriptions are available if you choose. For example, a local cafe could use Canva to design visually appealing graphics announcing new menu items, special events or limited time promotions, which can then be shared across things like their social media channels or in-store. By incorporating attention-grabbing visuals, the cafe can generate interest, boost engagement and drive foot traffic, and like I said, all for free. Investing that time and effort into creating striking visual content can significantly enhance your marketing efforts and its effectiveness and contribute to your business's overall success. Effectively marketing your business does not have to be an expensive endeavour. By leveraging cost-effective strategies like using social media, engaging in email marketing, creating high-quality content, and designing eye-catching visuals, you can reach your target audience, build brand awareness and drive growth without exceeding $100. Embracing these tactics and others like using your Google business page and showcasing customer reviews enables businesses of all sizes to significantly impact their respective markets while remaining financially savvy. With creativity, resourcefulness, learning and consistent effort, you can achieve remarkable marketing successes and pave the way for a thriving and prosperous business. Thanks for watching. I really hope you got some fantastic tips out of this that you can put into action for yourself and make a difference for your business. I'll see you next week for my next video.